So today is day 2 of Vlogmas, day 2, the second day of December, which means we get to open the second box. Okay, so this is the box for day 2. Let's open it. Aww. Milky Way. We'll get to eat Milky Way today. So, my sister gave me this jelly fruit mango thingy. Don't know. Let's try it. Okay, let's cut it open. Let's squeeze all the bottom to the bottom so it doesn't explode on us. Cut it open. Smells kind of weird. It's clear. It's Jello. Like Jello, and kinda it's kind of weird.
And then there's like this window, and it's only like 2 minutes down. Maybe if you I've never seen so much.
Мыло! Это мыло! I can't twirl in one spot anyway. So, this angle, but no, this angle. Okay, this is bad, this angle. Today I didn't get a chance to film a lot during the day because I had a lot of school, but I submitted all of my college assignments. So now I'm free until winter quarter starts in January. Today, I also went to Christmas play practice. It was really fun practicing there. And as soon as we go outside, after practice is over, it's snowing. This is the snow. It's snowing really nice. Also, we came home and then my mom was like, I want salsa, because we were out of salsa, and we were like, okay, let's go get salsa. We drive to the store, Fred Meyer, and it is snowing really hard. Well, it's not really hard, like when we were driving there it wasn't hard, But then, okay. Snow's going into my eyes. So when we were in Fred Meyer, we got salsa, cheddar, we got some sour cream because we're out, and what else did we get? We got, what's it called? Seaweed for seaweed for sushi. It is so weird. Yeah, so we got seaweed, we got salsa, cheddar. We come outside after to get to our car. It's like soapy. Like the snow is just falling in soap. Like soap particles. Like someone was taking a bath and forgot to like close the curtain or whatever. And all those bubbles are flowing out in the sun. So yeah. We got home and I'm just outside taking videos in the sun.